Morning, Des.
Yes.
So, what's going on?
Well, we're just going to check out the weather before we get to work, and it's time to get going there.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
Yeah, we're just going to get ready here.
Okay, onward, onward. Oh, God. It's so cold.
A little bit of protection.
Nice mitts, down-filled.
Oh, yeah.
You don't think it's that cold, do you?
No, it's probably minus 40 or 50.
All right, let's check it out.
Oh, yeah, it's fine. That's not too bad.
Oh, it's like that's not too bad at all. Slap the door. Oh, it's not too bad at all.